Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail. I believe this is the second purchase I made from Instagram. It's an actual auction that was on Instagram. I used to wonder how the auctions worked when I was first on Instagram a few months ago. I would see people like the Silver Bean Counter talk about getting these great deals on Instagram auctions. I'm like, hey, I thought Instagram was just a place that you post pictures. How do you do live auctions on there and stuff? But of course, after hanging out there a little bit longer, and I'm not a huge Instagram fan, I go out there now and then, but just don't invest a whole lot of time in it. As you can tell by my Instagram channel, I have some things out there, but I sure should get some more stuff out there. Most of the stuff is, like a lot of the auctions on YouTube and stuff, pretty high priced items. Some of them go for a good price. I guess it just depends on what you're looking for. And I picked up these for a reason. I have a couple grandsons that I think would be interested in these. Now, I don't think my grandsons watch my channel. I'm hoping they don't, because I would hate to kind of spoil this for them. But anyway, why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, not sure the best way to get into this. I don't want to cut anything, so I'm going to just try to maybe just go along the edge here. Alright, let's get this out of our way, and let's see if I did a good job cutting in this way. It looks like I did. Let's see, before we go on to that, let's see what we have. We've got an invoice here. Alright, so we'll just set that aside. Got it from Long Island Silver. Pretty cool little sticker there. Very nice. Get my scissors out of my way, and let's see what we picked up here. Alright, got two things. Let's look at this one first. Oh, nice little packaging. I'll be able to save that for a later use. And what do we have? I can turn my light down a little bit. Guess not. We have the 2010P Boy Scout Silver Round MS70. See if we get a better picture on this. Let me hold it and zoom in a little bit. Continuing the journey, in God we trust, liberty. 1910 through 2010. And let's flip it over, take a look. It's got the Boy Scout symbol on the back. Be prepared. United States of America, Boy Scouts of America, $1. So this is an actual coin. And as you saw, it's NGC graded. Perfect. That's one of the reasons why I got it. It's an MS70. Got them for a really good price. Got them for about the price of what you paid just to grade them. And you can see it's rotated slightly in the case here. You can see it's not quite 12 o'clock, but that happens sometimes. So yeah, look at that. Pretty nice, huh? MS70. Graded perfect. So let's see what's over here. And get this off without ruining it, because they're pretty nice packaging. I like these. What do we have here? We've got the exact same thing. Another 2010P Boy Scout MS70. Trying to get the light off it. Get some digitized off my camera today. Not really sure why. It's the first time that happened. I keep complaining about this IV cam. I sent them an email asking them what's up with every time they upgrade their software, they make it worse than better, and of course they never responded. I'd be a big supporter of them if they'd actually put out, value-added updates instead of, every time I update, it starts flashing and flickering and Now I'm getting digitized look on the camera, which that's never happened before. So I think if you do some upgrades, you need to test them well and get them done the right way, not make your product worse. Just amazing to me how they continue to update it and it continues to not work well. So one of these days, I'm going to have to buy myself a real camera to use with my YouTube videos. I just need to get it in the budget because, as you know, a good camera is not cheap. So that's what I bought. I bought 2 MS-70 Boy Scout coins from the U.S. Mint. These are no longer available. And I was kind of hoping that the cert numbers would be in order. Not a big deal that they're not. But pretty cool, huh? Very nice. Zoom back a little bit. Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.